honors.
Well, we try to give you guys a partial diamond head view right here. Over here today with this Panini Prizm.
From the Las Vegas Aces on the cover.
Yeah, we got Aja Wilson on the front. This is a 10.
Yep. Got to catch their game in Vegas. Got this hat right here. Kids won the tournament. A couple of the teams won the tournament. Pretty good turnout.
I guess there's 4 packs in here. Well, that's a pretty cool 10.
Yeah, look at that.
Hopefully it's focusing. That's pretty cool.
Best player in the game, Deuce. Deuce.
Aja Wilson.
Our favorite, one of my favorite numbers to roll. I rolled this, the craps table, back to back to back, hard 4s, deuce, deuce, for a big win. That was fun.
Yeah.
Can't put no videos on that though because we couldn't record the tables at, I think I hit that one up Planet Hollywood.
Yeah, that was great. Ooh, okay, so it comes with this thing on the top. It's like a foam. And then there's some packs.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
What are they, Prism?
Yeah, Panini Prizm.
Oh, 4
out.
little ones. 4 little
Yep,
Panini
4
Prism.
packs. There's probably 4 cards in here, so 16 cards total. They look very warpity warped, but hopefully we'll get something cool in here.
Hopefully we get her.
Alright. That'd be cool. I really like the tin though. Like the tin. Either way, you get the tin. Alright. We have Letitia Heidman.
Only 4
Oh,
cards.
we have a green Veronica Burton.
I might as well put everyone in a penny because I have them anyway.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, we got a green?
Green Veronica Burton.
They're also very bent.
It looks like a disco. Is this? Oh, it's numbered.
No way.
Check that out. 5 out of 25.
Oh, she's killing it too.
That's pretty sick. Because it's like a disco-y looking one. Disco balls.
Yeah. Oh, 5 out of 25.
5 out
Those
of
are
25.
some good numbers.
That's really nice.
Some good numbers.
Ooh, okay. Cracked Ice of Alyssa Peely.
Nice.
And Melissa Smith.
She's killing it. Look at that. We got some
That's
aces.
nice. Yeah.
Got an aces when wow. When what's her name? Asia was not playing. She had a ball game. Killed it. And we got to see them live play against Dallas, against Paige. That was a good game. Which Vegas Aces took it down. All right, we have 4. This is pack number 2. And we got upside down. Ooh, pow pow.
Pow pow.
Boom. We got from the links, Kayla. Oh, what is this one? The blue, what is this, blue laser?
Oh, that might be a number if it's,
No way.
does it have disco balls?
No number.
Oh, okay. Oh.
But yours
Is that
had
the
the
blue
dis- your-
velocity?
Oh, maybe.
Does it have the squares? Oh yeah, that's a blue velocity. Kayla McBride.
We got the
And
night,
Nyjah.
Lainey Hamilton, and we got Courtney Landers. All right.
Nice.
Wow, this is nice and quick little tin we got here with
Yeah.
4, 8, 12, 16 cards total.
Not bad. Got a couple color. I like the, getting a number card off the first.
Yeah, I forgot that was a cracked ice.
Yeah, we got a cracked ice of Alyssa Peely and of Betnijah. Who's this? Ryan Howard base.
Nice.
We got Sabrina base.
Sabrina. That's good.
Green Emily Angsler from the Mystics.
That one numbered.
I think it's just green. Oh, we got a Janelle Salon cracked ice rookie card.
Nice.
That's pretty cool.
So long, Denise. Nice. All right, I got the last one. This one is a nice, quick one.
Tap it for good luck.
Ooh, tap it for good luck. If you're wondering how nice the water is today, amazing. You know, the typical. Oh, we got Nancy. Nancy. The headband, wristband assassin Nancy. Oh, we got a blue Rakia Jackson.
Ooh, nice.
Wow, okay. Get well, girl. Oh, cracked ice Nalissa. She's like one of my favorites right now. Watching her play live. Yeah, that was fun. And we seen this girl walking around our hotel when we got to Vegas.
Yeah, just in plain clothes. I was like,
Yeah.
is that Alicia Clark?
Yep, that was her.
Yeah.
That concludes our Vegas.
We brought it all the way to Vegas and then back because we never had a chance to open it.
We were gonna open it at the game, but we got too busy
Not bad.
doing the Vegas things.
I like the blue velocity, the green, the cracked ice is always a good one. I like getting a numbered in a tin. That was cool.
Yep.
Too bad that wasn't Sonia of the Emily Ang store. Not bad.
Let me know what you guys think about these prisms in a tin. That's definitely gonna be a collection. How sick is that? Have you guys opened one of these? And what is your best one?
This is our best card, I think. Numbered out of 25.
Yeah.
Veronica Burton. And she looks like she's number 22.
Oh, deuce. But
yeah.
my favorite one is this
Nalissa.
cracked ice Nalissa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fun. I like the tin no matter what. And then you just get like 16 cards, like fast and fun.
There's the key cracked ice. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Little diamond head in the back.
Yeah, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
For the next one, about us
And sisters.
and sisters and everyone else.
And everyone else.
Chee!